Good morning, guys. This is Pinkie, the housewife, and also I will be casting this on my second channel, Pink Global. Today we got a video about the super mayor, Tiffany Henyard. Okay, she's always out in the streets doing things. Okay, I guess she's trying to make sure she stay as mayor of Dolton. That's what she's trying to do. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the video. There's the super mayor, Tiffany, out in the streets. Yes. Demolition. Langley and Lincoln demolition. Okay. I think she's showing a roof being put on or something going on. Okay. You can see that she's out there in the streets. She's doing something. She's trying to make sure people don't kick her out. I don't know about that, Tiffany. I think you're on your way out, but we'll just see. We'll see what you got going on here. Okay, we're going to see. But before we see what's going on, we're going to go ahead with the house rules first. I need everybody to go ahead and hit that like button. Yes, I do. I need you to hit it. Don't pretend like you're hitting. Hit the like button. That's to keep me in the algorithm and to help me to meet my goals for YouTube. I need 1,000 watch hours. I need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we're almost there, guys. We just got a little more to go. Okay. For Pink Global, we just have a little more to go. Now, if you want to go over to my main channel, Pinkie the Housewife, go ahead and do so. But I need you to hit that like and subscribe button on this one. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you thank you for doing all that, so we can go ahead and get on with the matter at hand. We're going to be talking about super mayor. Okay. She called us. Oh my Lord. Okay. I don't have nothing else to say. Let me just pull this up for you all. This woman is too much for me. Whew. I try to be nice. Okay. I really do. I just try to be nice. That's all I do. Okay. This is everything is going to be down in my description. Okay. So can't say I didn't tell you that. This is with Dolton TV. This is a video straight from them. Okay. That information will be in my. Okay. Here we go.
Hi guys, it's Mayor Tiffany Henyard, the People's Mayor, and we're here at my very first demo as mayor. We are off of Langley and Lincoln, and we're about to tear down this first house that's been hidden behind this large forest forever. So now you guys have asked for me to remove it. I'm about to remove the house. Come on so you can see our journey.
My name is Grayson Johnson. I work for Arbor Care, Pekarsky & Sons Tree Service. So we were just cleaning up the town here. Had an old dilapidated home here. We're just trying to beautify the neighborhood. Everything cleaned up, make it all safe. Good.
Let me tell you about the trees are not the big trees.
For all these little trees along the fire pointed out there, the city has one up front there, but you're trees, you know, there's gas, and all you want to do is down over here on the wall. Small ones up on the property line, get up front. I'm going to get there and okay. And then if we have to, maybe somebody, I know they put down a bunch of stuff before. Maybe if they can get that up out of there or something. There.
Okay, yeah, that'll work. But as long as I was just going to clear this here, the fence. I know this homeowner next door was complaining about the fence with the trees. And you see the wires here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I saw y'all really come off of that one on purpose.
Yeah.
So we could do the same and take all that down to the little ones
Okay.
Not the big tree, not you.
Yeah, not that big kind. Well, I got you.
Yeah,
I guess my only other worry is that one that's right behind the roof right there.
Yeah.
I wouldn't want one of my guys to cut it and then yeah, exactly.
I got you on that. No, that's fine. You can leave that with me.
Well, I mean, we'll play it by ear.
Yeah,
We'll get a lot of we can get a lot of little stuff though.
Okay. Yeah, I'm with that. Because I'm probably gonna schedule this for Wednesday.
Okay.
Come and tear all this up and that. I just didn't want to.